Welcome, from a fellow traveler. Today, we will continue our exploration of applied spirituality by looking at the way in which the future affects the present. We are taught that causes lie in the past, but what if the future is also a cause, an attractor, a blueprint, a beacon? What if the future is not only what happens next, but a canvas of creative potential, calling us to evolve in consciousness, both as groups and individuals? Our culture teaches us to look backwards to understand why things are the way they are. History, memory, the often misunderstood concept of karma. These are all important, but there's something missing. What if we also asked, what am I moving toward? What vision am I giving my energy to, consciously or unconsciously? In truth, the future you hold in your mind is shaping you now, in ways you don't even imagine. Thought is magnetic. A clear vision of the future attracts opportunities, connections, and inner power. When the future you envision aligns with the rhythm or plan of the cosmic heart, you are energized by an invisible current. This is the energy of becoming, of motion and direction. Let's join in a short meditation. Sit comfortably. Breathe in deeply. Let your breath settle into a calm, even rhythm. Now visualize a point of light far on the horizon. This is the future, not a specific event, but a vibration of purpose aligning with the cosmic heart. Agni Yoga also calls the cosmic heart the cosmic magnet, the force drawing together and pulling all in the direction of the common good. Let this point of light grow larger, warmer, more radiant. What qualities does it hold? Love? Harmony? Creative intelligence? Justice? Joy? Now allow this vision to become a magnet. Let it gently pull your thoughts, your feelings, your actions into alignment. Say inwardly, the future is a cause. I align my energy with the rhythm of the motion of cosmos. When we speak of building the future, we are also speaking of building thought forms, ideas charged with love and will, that magnetize matter to assist the common good. When you hold a vision of a healed earth, just society, or a luminous humanity, you are not fantasizing. You are crafting a causal blueprint in the subtle world. This blueprint calls into manifestation those energies that will bring it to life, including your own transformation. We are not powerless spectators of what is to come. We are co-creators. Our vision of the future causes us to change our present actions, both as individuals and as groups. The future is already whispering to your soul. Listen deeply, and build what you hear. Please subscribe to walk the path of visionaries, meditators, and builders of the new earth. What future are you magnetizing right now?